Hello and welcome everybody. GME stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start. So according to what we want for this stock, we can go for the price here and the price in this kind of part. And if we wanted to go for the great opportunity about what we want to own this stock to get what we want here, 0 and 1 Fibonacci level is going to be referring for us that is going to be on 21 and 44. So the increase would be possibility for this part only. And this is the absolutely the kind what we want on the GameStop stock. Okay, that is going to be about to be on 1 week update. If we see that in 1 week update, it's going to be very different. Candles that we see here, it's going to have okay red and green candles on the same part. So it's still on the part that it is still going to be stretched, and that's what we actually want to know, that a lot of green candles would appear on this side that we are drawing now. Hope you benefit from this video.